In this video, I'm going to be modeling for you two of the multiplication strategies we use in third grade. First, let's all get on the same page about what multiplication is. So multiplication is a special kind of addition, and it's the joining of equal groups. So in regular addition, you can join anything that you want. You can join 7 of this and 2 of that to get a total. Multiplication is a little more specific, where it's the joining of equal groups of things. So a lot of times the groups come in packages or bags or boxes, and each of those packages or bags or boxes has the same amount in it. And so that's what multiplication is. It's joining those things together. So I'm going to use this story here to apply multiplication. Your third grader might know some multiplication facts, might know all of the multiplication facts, and that's really great. They're going to have that fluency, but we want them to be able to show that they're applying multiplication and that they're understanding the real world situation of what's going on. We don't want them to just say, oh, I know that that's 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. We want to see that they understand what's going on in these scenarios, because multiplication is being used in the real world, and we want them to be able to do that. So here's the story here. Ben donated 3 packs of socks. Each pack had 4 pairs of socks in it. How many socks did he donate? So when I'm thinking about Ben, he didn't donate 3 socks. He donated 3 packages of socks. So I'm going to go ahead and start drawing my situation here. Here's a package, and a package. 3 packages there. But there's more to those packages. Each package has 4 pairs of socks in it. So I'm going to draw 4 pairs of socks inside each one. And I'm looking for how many total socks there are. And this is my clue of seeing, oh wow, I see 4, 4, and 4. I see the same number being added together. That's my clue that it's multiplication. So now I have 3 packages with 4 in each. And I see that that's 3 groups of 4. And I can write my multiplication equation, 3 times 4. 3 groups of 4. This is where, if your third grader has that multiplication fluency, they might say, oh, 3 times 4 is 12, after they have shown the scenario. If they don't have that fluency yet, then they can go ahead and use their drawing here. So they can say 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Or they could say 4 and 4 is 8, and then 4 more is 12. Any of those will work. So we have found that the number of socks that were donated was 12. It's not 3, that's 3 packages. It's asking how many socks. So each of these is socks, so it's 12. Your third grader can also feel free to represent this situation like this if they have a stronger number sense to see that that's 3 groups of 4. That's totally fine also. So that's our first strategy. Now I'm going to show you our second strategy, and it's very closely related. The only thing is the array strategy takes a little more organization to be clear about it. But you'll see once it's done how they're very closely related. So with the array, I'm going to set it up to see that I have 3 packages of socks. So here's going to be package 1, package 2, and package 3. I like to always just stay consistent, and I make my rows going down. It doesn't really matter, but I just like to stay consistent all of the time so that I'm showing my understanding clearly. So now package 1 has 4 pairs of socks. And package 2 has 4 pairs of socks. And you'll notice I'm keeping everything lined up. And then package 3 has 4 pairs of socks. So here's my array that I've set up. And you'll notice that it looks very closely related to this now. I see a group of 4, a group of 4, a group of 4, which is a group of 4, a group of 4, a group of 4. I see 3 groups of 4. And then this might be where your third grader uses their multiplication fluency. 3 times 4 is 12. If your third grader isn't there yet with their fluency, then they can just use their counting on strategy. They can say, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Or they could even count by 2s, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. You could make groups of 10 within an array. You could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then the extra 2. Whatever you need to do, that's one of those third grade strategies for counting a set of things. So here is our equal groups and array strategies for multiplication, which remember is joining equal groups. So use this on your homework and whenever you are noticing that there's the same number being added over and over.